And I'm going to the microwave again. Let's bring the microwave. As you know in my former video, when I was in the microwave, I did something pretty bad. I got Skittle stuck in there. Just everywhere. But it looks like my granddad was I'm sick. But I'm not microwaving it. I'm just gonna